I'm Hadi from Sitki Tooling. Today we are talking about how to have reasonable and high quality plastic injection molding parts. First of all, we should understand what factors affect the plastic injection molding cost. It is injection mold cost and injection molding cost. Injection mold, it is the tool to set up an injection machine for plastic product manufacturing. What demand will affect plastic injection mold price? It is your plastic product size and structure. How many estimated quantities you need to order in total? How many estimated quantities you need to order each time? Your plastic product resin. Produce parts in China or in your country. This will affect the model scale. Your plastic product size and structure. It is a major factor to affect the model price, as it will affect model size and structure. How many estimated quantities you need to order in total? This factor will affect the model to choose a model steel for core and cavity. Different steel with different price. Generally, through hardened steel with longer model life. If your model life more than 300,000 shots, you may choose through hardened steel. If it is less, you may choose pre-hardened steel. This is common, but it's different on the real model design. Generally, for the through hardened steel, we will heat treat it to HRC 48 to 52. But the difference on through hardened steel and pre-hardened steel is on 44 HRC. The estimated quantity you need to order in total will also define how many cavities you need for the mold. This is one of the major reasons. This is also one of major factors to affect your model price. How many estimated quantities you need to order each time? Generally, the model will offer the price basis on different quantities you need to order each time. This may also affect the model size, as it will define how many cavities your mold needs to be. Your plastic resin or function of your product. This will affect the model. Choose the model steel for core and cavity. This will affect the model to choose model steel for core and cavity. For example, regarding the PVC, regarding the PVC resin is crossing. Core and cavity steel should be 420 stainless steel. You can also offer function of your product to your injection molding to consider the steel for core and cavity. You can also offer function of your product to your injection molding to consider the steel for core and cavity. Produce parts in China or in your country. This question is to help you to define what kind of model standard you need. The model standard is to assure if the mold fits into the injection machine or not. Different country or injection shop. Different country or injection molding shop. Different country or different country or injection molding shop with different injection machine and model standard. In the same country with similar model standard. The most common model standard is DME and Haskell. DME standard is popular in USA, while the Haskell standard is popular in Europe. What demand affects the unit price? Your plastic product color. You need transparent color or opaque. Your plastic quantities for each color. Surface finish, such as polish, texture. This is not a major factor to affect the model price, but it will affect a little bit. Sometimes your model will not offer additional price for different surface finish.